Hello everyone, welcome to the next video. My name is Amit and as you know everyone, I started a series of vocabulary words on this channel. To get more information, more updates, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon please. So today's first word is abase. The meaning of abase is नीचा दिखाना या फिर किसी को अपमानित करना. If use the sentence, so the sentence is the people who have no aim in their life, so they always try to abase others. जिसकी ज़िंदगी में, जिसकी लाइफ में कोई एम नहीं होता, कोई गोल नहीं होता, कोई लक्ष्य नहीं होता, वो हमेशा दूसरों को नीचा दिखाने की कोशिश करते हैं. The second word is benediction. So the meaning of benediction is आशीर्वाद देना या फिर मंगल कामना. If use a sentence, the sentence is please accept my benediction. Please accept my benediction. The meaning is कृपया मेरी मंगल कामना स्वीकार करें. Thank you. Thanks for watching and have a good day. Have a great life and thanks.